I subscribed to Speed. I was doing actually mainly MCQs and high yield videos. It was really helpful. I think questions were similar only. So it was easy actually to crack the clinical case questions. I want to thank Speed app.
Okay, I bring in all wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Gopika Ramesh for scoring rank number 20 in DM Respiratory Medicine Group. Congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir.
And wonderful and great to have you here in this session. And thank you for sparing your time to share your experiences with us and also to the students watching this video.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Great. Now, can we know your brief background where you started till date, what all you have done?
Sir, I'm from Kerala and I did my MBBS from Government Medical College, Kottayam, and my MD in Respiratory Medicine from Government Medical College, Kozhikode, both in Kerala. And I have completed my MD exam in November, and then I wrote the DM exam in December.
Very nice. Excellent. Great achievements. And can we know super specialty interest started when and when it started, how you started working towards it? What are the preparation strategy to achieve a topmost rank like this?
Sir, actually, I had a fewer gap between my MBBS and MBBS in my internship and then my MD course. So initially, I did not have any much like interest in for DM. I was just focusing on my MD only, first year and all. And then second year and third year, I thought focus little more for my DM also. And I subscribed to Speed for the last 3 months only, sir. I was doing actually mainly MCQs and high yield videos from Saurabh sir. It was really helpful. And actually, I watched those videos during my free time also because it was when I was bored with learning too much, and I was watching mainly the videos, sir. And my MD exams were on November last, and I wrote the INI exam also during that time, and I got a rank of 56 only. So I thought I should do more MCQs. So the last month I was doing more mainly MCQs from Speed, sir.
Very nice. Very nice. Great. Doctor, can you share something on the paper and number of questions you answered?
I think I'm not exactly remember. I think I answered around 145 to 146 questions, and it was divided into three parts. Actually, 50 questions each, and 50 minutes. I think, and I think compared to INI exam, it was little bit difficult and more clinical based. Some questions were more direct, and when I did MCQs for my revision time, I think questions were similar only. So it was easy actually to crack the clinical case questions.
Nice. Great to know. And also, we want to know what's your message for the future aspirants of DM Pulmonary Medicine Group.
Actually, sir, I really am happy that I got rank 20. I was not at all expecting this rank actually. And whenever you're doing the MD, I think you have to firstly focus on your clinics because that is your bread and butter department. So firstly you have to focus on clinic, and then I did like when you see a case in the ward, you can read upon that case and do in details regarding that case. So you have to go in hand with your clinics and your theory also. There is nothing to prepare separately for our theory or like this in MCQs. And revision is the utmost thing. You have to revise your subject again and again.
Great. Very nice. Very. And time to thank and whom all you want to thank, you feel that they helped you from day one till date, stood by you in your career. You can use.
Yes, sir. I want to thank my parents, my daughter, and my teachers, my mentor, Speed Up, and Dr. Saurabh, sir, and uh, God. And also, I thank myself, sir, because for not giving up and going forward.
Great. I mean, this is the first time I'm hearing I need to thank myself. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Very good. Excellent. Congratulations. Once again, wish you all the best and all the success for a great and amazing and wonderful career
Thank
in
you, sir.
the medicine group. Best wishes to you.
Thank you, sir.